OPPO Find N5 could launch on February 19, 20 or 21. The pre-orders for the OPPO Find N5 and Watch X2 went live in China earlier today. The phone on the right appears to be a Samsung Galaxy Z Fold. This should give you a sense of scale. The OPPO Find N5 will be a large foldable. OPPO Find N5 is world's first IP69 rated foldable phone and supports underwater photography. OPPO Find N5 real-life images leak. The company has made some changes to the positioning of the camera sensors and LED flash on the Find N5. The camera sensor arrangement is similar to that of the OnePlus 13. The OPPO Find N3 launched in global markets as the OnePlus Open, so OPPO Find N5 to be a rebranded OnePlus Open 2. The device will feature a 6.4-inch external display with 120Hz refresh rate, while the foldable Find N5 will offer an 8-inch main screen with 2K resolution and 120Hz refresh rate. OPPO Find N5 powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite SoC with up to 16GB of RAM and 1TB of storage. The rear camera features a triple rear camera setup, 50-megapixel main sensors, a 50MP ultra-wide lens, and a 50MP telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom. For selfies, a dual camera setup with 32MP and 20MP sensors is anticipated. Battery capacity is poised to increase to 5,900 mAh with 80W wired and 50W wireless charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.